lunch. And then that was a great way because then you know you're working it off. So your heavy meal, and then she said put the protein, the vegetable, and the salad. And I said that's excellent. But if you want to have some rice as well, you can.
So we had found really good results and success with substituting the white rice for some of the other whole grains and utilizing those whole grains in the same way that we would use white rice. So to make the yellow rice, we would use like farro or africa, add the turmeric and add the garlic and the peppers and the peas and everything mixed in together, and it's actually like hand over fist more nutritious than just utilizing white rice. And September is National Whole Grain Month, so I encourage you guys to try it out.
So whole grains is going to be like brown rice. How many of you have comido arroz en vegano? So she's asking what is the difference between brown rice and white rice? Why is it good for you?
So, can I answer?
Go ahead.
Sure. So, imagine the rice like this, right? And inside here is the white part. Around the outside, there's a hull. And what happens when you're buying when they're producing the white rice is that they strip away the outside. And actually, that outside is where all the nutrients live.
So lo que pasa es que el arroz blanco, todo el arroz, todos los granos tienen es como ¿cómo se dice? Una cápsula.
¿Cápsula?
Y lo que pasa es que el arroz blanco es procesado. Le quitan ¿cómo se pone?
Sí,
la parte de afuera. Y ahí botan toda la fibra, todas las vitaminas D, todo lo que es bueno. Y lo deja ahí con el starch, con el carbohidrate. Y eso no tiene nada necesariamente. So, el arroz integral tiene todo eso, tiene más fibra. So it's high in fiber and that's what slows down your digestion. So nosotros lo procesamos más, no te hace subir el azúcar. Esa es la otra parte que...
Right, and I think we need to allow for our tongue and our palate to adjust to the new flavors that we're introducing into our foods. If you remember, like little kids, right? Like when they're little, they're like, I don't like broccoli, I don't like broccoli. But then as you eat it a little bit more and a little bit more, maybe because mom is forcing you to eat your broccoli, then you realize like, this ain't so bad, right? And you actually develop I don't want to say respect for the flavor, but you actually develop this kind of liking and appreciation. Thank you so much. Appreciation for what it is. So that's always a super important part. It can be very challenging when you are doing this to your family, right? Because now you have different personality types that have to, and their palates have to adjust at different rates. But I think introducing these things slowly and surely, you start to see over time, you've changed your eating habits.
You're already making those foods, but you're adding more vegetables. O ustedes están haciendo sofrito, right? ¿Quién hace sofrito? Con peppers, con el ají, la cebolla, pero echarle más ají. Como él estaba diciendo antes, que hacer como el arroz amarillo o el arroz pareja. You're making like shredded beef, and you have some of the peppers, but now add more. Right? So going back to that concept, echarle más vegetales a la comida que ya están haciendo, lo que están echando, pero echarle más.
The other thing that we do a lot too is, I'm a big proponent of fresh herbs, okay? So fresh herbs are just nature's way of giving your tongue a sucker punch, probably in your mouth, right? So you'll see that if you flavor your food properly with the fresh herbs, then you really won't be craving the salt. A lot of the times we eat this way, it's just because it's out of habit. It's not necessary, and someone showed us this, right? and then you become accustomed to it. That's why I touched a little bit earlier on giving your tongue away, you're giving your body a chance to readjust to the new way that you're living.
So did you know that we can change? You don't have to take as much medication if you change the way you eat and the way you live. So no tienes que tomar tanta medicina si comes bien y si haces ejercicio y haces unas vidas saludables. Lo que pasa es que los vegetales te hacen bajar la presión. The vegetables make you lower your blood pressure naturally, right? So if you're eating a diet that's high in vegetables, you don't need to take your blood pressure medication as often. Do not stop taking your blood pressure medication. That's not what I'm saying. You have to first make the changes, and then you can see that you don't need as much medicine. So al principio, si comes vegetales, te va a bajar la presión. So ahí no necesitas tanta medicina porque te va a bajar naturalmente. Lo mismo con exercise. If you start exercising, you also lower your blood pressure. Yeah. So you start doing, estás haciendo ejercicio, te va a bajar la presión y no vas a necesitar eso. Lo mismo con la medicina para el colesterol. Las plantas, comiendo vegetales, te saca el colesterol del cuerpo. So eating vegetables makes you get rid of the cholesterol in your blood. Who knew that? ¿Quién sabía eso? Sí, todos los vegetales, el arroz integral, todas las cosas que son altas en fibra, everything that's high in fiber that comes from a plant will help you get rid of that cholesterol in your body, so you don't need the cholesterol medication. If you do that on a regular basis, si tú comes así todos los días, tú vas a ver que no vas a necesitar la medicina. Y las cosas con los dolores, how many of you suffer from pain? ¿Quién sabe lo que es el dolor? ¿Por qué tenemos dolor en el cuerpo? Why do we have pain in our body? Inflammation. So, la inflamación. Y la inflamación puede venir de la comida que comemos, el estrés que tenemos. So, si estamos comiendo comidas que te bajan la inflamación, so if we eat foods that help you lower your inflammation, ¿qué comida tú piensas que te hace bajar la inflamación? Which vegetables help you lower inflammation? What do you think? What foods? Turmeric. So, todas las comidas que son naturales, que son de planta, all the foods that come from plants help you naturally lower inflammation because they're high in antioxidants and they're high in antioxidants basically. So then that helps lower the inflammation. So todas las comidas que vienen de planta te hacen bajar la inflamación en el cuerpo. So, esas son las razones que tenemos que comer más saludable.
Wheatgrass is one of the fastest.
Yes, so wheatgrass, all of these are beautiful. Everybody, drink them. So here we have it. You guys, aquí estamos trabajando en, están haciendo los sprouts, right? ¿Quién sabe por qué, I mean, you guys should know this, but por qué los sprouts son tan buenos? Why are the sprouts so good? Exactly. So it's all the concentration of that plant, because it's going to be a plant, right? Yeah. So it's the best thing in the world. So we have the wheatgrass, we juice it, and then you can drink that right away. So it's the same thing with the